This thing is awfully tight, and that sounds like gear mesh to me, so I'm a little worried about that. Hey, Remote Roadies. Hey, Remote Roadies.
Remote Road. Remote Road. Remote Road. Remote Road. Remote Road.
Welcome back, Roadies. Hopefully, this is going to be a super short video. See, the last video, Vaughn seemed to have damaged her brand new Vortex. This is the spur gear, and it's cool. We got some teeth right here. All the teeth are just down in there. So, the hobby bar store got this. I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can see this pretty good. Arrma 310947. Got the replacement, and I went ahead and got some slipper pads. I might replace these as well. Arrma 310994. But hopefully this goes pretty quick. Already got it disassembled, took it out, here it is. Hopefully we just swap these around. So let's get started. Well, I think I finally got this thing figured out. All those fails, fill out the instructions. I think I just had one piece swapped around backwards, but should be working. Day 2, welcome back, Roadies. I got the spur gear replaced. Not sure about the slipper clutch. This thing is awfully tight, and that sounds like gear mesh to me, so I'm a little worried about that. But gonna take it apart again, see what we come up with. Adjusted the slipper clutch. That did not help with the noise. Clearly it had to be something with the motor and the mesh of the spur gear, which was not sounding good to me. So I went a little further, took it apart and looked, and it looked like the motor mount had maybe come loose or was slightly loose. It was loose, so maybe they just backed out, maybe something like that. Maybe no Loctite from the factory. I don't know. It seemed like they backed out and the motor had moved just a smidge. Pushed things together, got the mesh going a little better, and voila, it sounds way better. I may have to adjust the slipper clutch again. It may need to go a little tighter. All the screws may need to be Loctited to keep them from backing out again, but for right now, I'm just kind of in a testing phase. I want to see how it does. So I'm gonna do a little test run. We'll see how she does.
Hey roadies, we're back. I'm showing my face again after last week's misadventure with the Vortex. As you know, I had a little accident with it. It sounded horrible. Fortunately, Adrian was able to take it apart, work on some of the inside stuff, and get things taken care of for me. It sounds really smooth right now. So we're excited about that versus what it sounded like last week was terrible. So I think we're going to take it out for a little test run and see what she can do. I guess I'm timid now.
Yeah, right.
Oh, there.
Well, that's good. Yeah. That was really good.
Off the back. I think all of your fixes seem to have done a good job.
Yeah.
It feels good.
It sounds really smooth. It sounds way smoother than it did when we first got it.
We did adjust that brake rate a little bit, and I can feel that a little bit. It doesn't stop quite
like
as
you
hard.
want to.
Yeah. Do you want to give it a try?
Sure. I hear a little click, 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 click. Did you hear that?
I just thought I heard it when you just came back this way. Yep, right there. I hear it.
I don't hear it in reverse.
I don't hear it now.
I don't hear it. I think so. It's hard to tell. Now I hear it. Did you hear it?
I didn't hear it that time.
It sounds.
Oh, I hear it there.
It sounds clunky to me. That's smooth.
Yeah.
It's like too smooth.
Too smooth.
What do you think?
It's really smooth. Hey roadies.
Hey roadies, welcome back.
We did our little test run with the Vortex. All the fixes that Adrian did.
Looks like it's okay. Looks like it's gonna be okay.
Up and running, ran smooth. Did a couple wheelies, didn't break it. That's all good.
We're gonna keep an eye on it, make sure all the screws stay tight, and if they don't, we'll tighten them back up, put some Loctite in places where they need to be, and we know a whole lot more about our slipper clutch and our spur gear and the power module.
Than
all
ever
of those
before.
things I'm very in
Familiar
tune with how those things work now, and I can do repairs on any of the other 3S vehicles. So that's good. That's something. I got that going for me.
So be sure to like and subscribe, get those notifications, and these roadies are gonna go recharge.